Small business owners, they're being very impactful. They're providing employment. And the right company is ensuring that companies are being compliant. They're filing their taxes, which contribute to the development of Jamaica.
I mean, for people that are making Jamaica a better place, their own way would be more likely the service industry. Because on a daily basis, then they would be probably the people then where people don't pay attention to that much, probably take them for granted, but yet them actually are the ones to make the machinery of the economy continue to work.
An organization doing good work is Lifeyard, that's based in Fleet Street, downtown Kingston. They set up initiatives with the youth whereby they teach them literacy, mathematics, and make sure that they're active, but also develop their mental and emotional wellness, headed by Sabuki and some other ones who are doing fantastic work.
I am making Jamaica a better place. I'm Hansel Beckford, I'm a physiologist. The fact that I'm very sensitive at doing work on the environment, to me this is sterling and move towards, making our environment healthier.
Nurses do a really good job in terms of healthcare. We're the ones on the front line. We talk to the patients. We make sure that they're doing well. And, we really bond and connect to patients. And we feel it when something happens to them. We feel it for their loved ones. Nurses are doing such an amazing job. And, keep your head up, guys, and continue to do great.
Well, when I think about making Jamaica a better place, not necessarily someone, but an organization, the youth. Opportunities Unlimited, and I think this organization helps to make Jamaica a better place because they help young people. It's an organization that their main initiative is to empower the youth.
Right now I see my doctors and nurses. Why? Because they're always good at what they do and they keep us going, keep us safe.
I wouldn't say a person in particular, I'll say more the Jamaican athletes, more specifically track and field. Such as Usain Bolt, Shelley and Fraser, Safa Power. But I definitely believe what they did and what they continue to do off the field is really making Jamaica a better place.
At this time, I do think it's the lawyers. We are making peace. We're actually trying to make most of our cases, I would say, successful and to make peace in our country amongst our nation.
Everyone make it better play in Jamaica.